How to use Cash App without SSN. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can use Cash App without SSN, or better known as social security numbers. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, you have to understand what is SSN. SSN is a social security number, like a legal number that proves to Cash App that you belong to your country and that you are a legal citizen. If you don't have your SSN, you will not be able to verify Cash App, because Cash App will not know if you are a real citizen. So unless you have your SSN, legal ID and your documents, you will not be able to use Cash App. Of course, you can just go ahead and use it, but you cannot make any exchanges such as adding cash or depositing money to it and using Cash App to pay and make transactions online. You will not be able to do so. All you have to do is just make sure that you have your details with you, and once you have your details, only then you will be able to use Cash App. This way you will be able to use Cash App without an SSN. Bottom line is you really can't. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.